right, I'm going 5 reverse egg rolls.
You're a disgusting human being.
This is like you versus the guy she told you not to worry about. My name's Kyro. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area, and this is a normal skateboard. And this is the Swamp Zilla.
What a name that is.
And this is Gabriel Horacio Iglesias Cruz.
How you guys doing?
And we're gonna play a game of skate, anything counts, alternating sets.
Yep. I need every single possible caveat to even have a chance right now on this.
I think I need to let you warm up a little bit.
Maybe.
Because I already played a game of anything counts in this, and let me just show you some right now.
Play the highlight roll real quick.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh, okay, you had some practice.
I told you.
The thing I do appreciate, though, first and foremost, is that you do have wide trucks.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, shout out Robbie. He brought me this board, and then he put his trucks on there, and he was like, can I get my trucks back? And I was like, no.
All right, how's the kickflip ability on this thing?
It's good.
Good?
So, okay, you think that this thing like wouldn't skate?
Yeah.
It skates.
Okay.
It has concave.
I mean, if
nice.
anything, if you have a little experience and maybe just give me a little background, and then we're even. We're good. Normal pop? Oh,
yeah.
It feels really good.
It's like, it actually skates.
Okay, let's go. I'm calling rock. Told you. You go ahead.
Anything counts. Do I want to be nice to him or dirty on him? I'm trying something I've never done before, so if I land this, is a miracle. I'm gonna do a no comply big spin heel flip.
This is the kind of game we're getting into today. All right.
Wow, I could do that.
You know what's hilarious about that is
she thick.
My first idea was to do some kind of no comply on this.
Really?
Yeah. And you got to be really smart about the trick selection because you do only have one try and then you alternate.
Alternating sets.
All right, I'm going to do.
Okay.
I'm gonna go 360 body varial.
Yeah, good one. Don't
like,
look at me like that.
I don't like what you're putting on right now. Okay, yep, that's gonna be safe for later in the game.
This ground is tenacious D. Okay, you ready, D? Okay, I'm doing egg roll forward, egg roll back, spin, and jump on.
You're a disgusting human being. I'm so upset. Okay, so forward, was it this way?
Yeah. Yeah, like that.
Okay.
So the secret is,
you don't have to tell me.
You gotta give it a little sauce.
I just want to make sure the trucks were the right way. I'm gonna get the feet out of here.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Wait, and then flip?
Yep. Damn, boy, she thick.
Okay, ollie body varial.
Okay, yeah, I forgot it's alternating sets. Son of a gun. Wow, backside body varial.
That was
I did
cool.
not expect that.
That was fun. Damn, you are shredding that thing. Looks like you were born to ride that board.
No, I actually like it so much.
Yeah, that's good. Oh! Yeah, baby!
We posted this board and somebody said, nobody would buy that. You know, this is like the top selling skateboard right now.
Joke's on them.
Yeah, seriously.
This is what skateboarding needs.
It is, seriously. That's it. You know where I'm going right now? To the moon. Same place as Derek's Dogecoin.
Holy. Dude, you made that look way too easy.
It's easy.
Like, you made it look like I'm gonna land it first try.
It's shockingly easy. I want to cuss so bad right now.
Dude, that
good,
was
right?
actually really easy.
I told you.
Derek, you should try to kickflip this. You're probably landing this.
That boy's thick.
I'm gonna do a fakie ollie body varial.
I like it. Wow.
It wasn't clean, but I'll take it.
Okay, so first of all, how did I fall on that earlier one? I literally had it.
You literally have so much area to land on.
I know, like you try to not land, you're landing. So I'm going that way, right?
Backside, yeah, like a half cap.
Eggzilla Pro Model.
Yes.
Wow, boy.
Really good. I was worried this would mess up my regular board skating, but I think it might improve it.
Might make it better, yeah. Okay, anything counts, they said. All right, we're going revert on it.
Regular no comply?
Yeah.
I can't regular, I can only switch.
It's good to know. So he don't like no complies, they said.
Fakie 3 shove.
Oh God.
Dude, this board feels amazing.
It is, right? I told you.
It's really good.
Wow. This might be the only board that I can land this on.
Yeah, I'm putting your chances at the high 70s.
Yeah, you think?
Yeah. Yep, slow down now, slow down now.
Dang it.
That was a solid one. I'm trying to be really smart with my trick selection here.
That's it. Dang it. That almost got me in the nards.
All right, let's go switch 360 no comply.
Switch 360?
Yeah.
No way.
Oh, I messed up from the get-go. That was just, the board is so wide that I tried to step off and I accidentally stepped on the board.
Yeah, it's the hardest part.
It's okay, we're still beating him.
Okay, right here. Why?
Yeah.
It's so big, I still landed, but couldn't stay on.
Let's go pop, shove, body burial.
Yeah, I like it.
I'm calling you have to pop.
Yeah,
Okay.
have to pop.
All right.
Oh! Wow.
It's floaty.
Yeah. Okay, running it back. Why? Derek?
You gotta go this way, dude.
You think so?
Yeah, you're falling that way, which is downhill.
It's
so
true.
you gotta counteract it.
That's
I
true.
shouldn't be giving you advice.
I don't know if I can kickflip this way though.
I think you can. All right, let's go, same thing. Ah, I need to go that way too.
Yeah. Okay, let's see if this works.
Then we're both gonna land the trick and we're both gonna have one more letter.
If this works, Gabe Cruz is winning the Nobel Peace Prize.
Uh-oh.
Wow.
Holy.
Come here. Come here.
Woo, man. I'm gonna go real slow for this bad boy.
That boy thick.
Oh! The ACL, PCL, MCL all start hurting right there. That scared me a little bit.
Every CL that exists in the leg.
Whatever's right here start hurting.
So that's K to K, right?
That is K to K. About to be K to A because you're not gonna land this.
Dang, boy. Okay, Derek, you know what? You ready, Horacio?
Mm-hmm.
Because you remember, I'm a snowboarder. Be light on it. Be easy on your feet. Little low jump. Turn your upper body first, then the legs. Back 3. You had it! What the hell? You were like coming around and then you went,
yeah, that's the one thing about me is my aerial awareness is awful.
A to K, or
right.
AK.
I'm gonna do exactly what you did, no comply 180 but switch. Or no comply revert but switch.
What? That's hard. All right, I believe in you. What the? No way you can do that. Okay, that was good. That was a 10 out of 10. Switch, no comply, revert.
Can you please put a Mario jump sound when he does that? Respectable A to A right there.
So this is anything counts, right?
Yes.
All right, I'm going 5 reverse egg rolls, step on, kick flip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how we do it.
There's a lot of completely obscene words going on in the back of my head right now.
Like badass. Damn, is that Batman? Egg rolled him out of here. That's T. Go ahead, I ain't scared.
You should be for what's coming next.
Heel flip. No way. No, you won't. Robbie did it. He literally did it like his foot was like here.
That's scaring me a little bit.
I know, same.
Let's just go shove body burial again.
Wow.
I'm just completely losing it in the air, dude. I have no idea where I am, who I am, or where I'm going.
I think it's doable.
I'm gonna go fakie bigger spin. I like those shoes. Shoes are dope. Thank you.
What? No way.
Can we count that?
Yeah, we can count that. For
that
real?
Was so bad.
No way. There's no way I can do that.
Only 180. Just do a fakie 3 shove revert.
I can't fakie 3 shove.
Oh!
Would that have been it?
Yeah, that was it. That was perfect.
Okay, I gotta land
It's
this.
a good game. It's a solid game. Trying to think of the ender, bro.
Okay, Swampzilla, please. Please,
No idea
Swampzilla.
what to do.
Please. I love you. Woo! Shee!
Bro, you gotta be kidding me. The strategy I'm taking right now is I'm tossing try 1 and I'm going all out and try 2.
That's what I did.
Yeah, because
I think you can do it on first try.
I gotta just feel it.
She's thick, but she rolls, boy.
I mean, it's not hard to get it 360.
Yeah.
I just got to figure out the flick.
You know what else I never did is double flip.
That one I feel like would be tough.
Yeah.
Taking in the scenery, hearing the sounds, the urban jungle, the urban playground. Letting it fill me up with the power I need. Only the energy of San Francisco shall compel me to land this trick.
Oh, it's it!
I bailed!
See, you should have done that. Should have been your first try.
I know. Hey, that was a great game, though.
That was a good game. Let's go, Swamp
Man,
Zilla.
that board is really good.
I told you it's fun, right?
They're killing it with these boards.
So what weird game of skate should we play next? Leave it in the comments below. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, and we'll see you in the next one.